Right on, folks. John Crane here for the Walabot DIY 2 Visual Stud Finder. Now you say, John, I already have a stud finder. Well, I'm telling you, you don't have one like this. I've got a whole box of stud finders, and I'm telling you, none of them compare to the Walabot. The Walabot easily pairs with any iPhone or Android. And the company that makes the Walabot, they also make medical imaging equipment. This is high-tech stuff here, folks. This enables us to scan the walls for wooden studs, electrical wires, metal studs, gas pipes. Don't get caught drilling into a water pipe and flooding your house. I tell you, folks, show me another stud finder that can show you all those things behind the wall. You can't do it. Now, this stud finder is pretty nice, but it's not going to show you the multitude of things behind the wall like the Walabot can. All right, now get this. Perhaps you're hearing some scratching or some movement behind the wall. You think it's a mouse or a rodent. You can actually use the Walabot to scan the wall for movement. You're not looking for mice behind the walls with other stud finders. The Walabot is in a class of its own. Order your Walabot today, folks. You can get it on Amazon or walabot.com. Right on.